Couldn't get the camera turned on in time, but I don't know if stats fill, stats kill, cat skill, landing, something. Chimney fire, walls are hot to the touch. The fire dispatcher just announced it twice over there in Castleton. So whoever's house is having a chimney fire, I hope their house don't burn down, man. This is the wrong time of year. A chimney cleaning. There we go. Come on, say something. Mutual fire is 154, 250.
Would you like me to start mutual aid? And if so, what agency? 10-4.
Okay, what's going to happen here? This is a mutual fire channel.
Mutual aid to 64 Stateso Landing in Castleton for an active chimney fire. To state dispatch for West Rutland fire, respond mutual aid to 64 Stateso Landing in Castleton for an active chimney fire. Time of tone 1200.
Well, I'm not sure what's going on with my phone. It's acting up. Push record, it takes like 10 seconds for it to engage. So I just missed West Rutland responding to Rutland because mutual fire.
3, go ahead.
Anyways, West Rutland asked
10-4 en route, crew 3, 1205.
if they needed a ladder truck or an engine truck. Dispatch told them just an engine. Nobody requested a ladder truck, so West Rutland is in transit to Castleton for this chimney fire.
Engine 1 to state dispatch, go ahead.
Well, I guess we hurry up and wait. Let me pause it. Well, I haven't heard anything. It's been a few minutes. We just keep my fingers crossed and praying that whoever's chimney fire in their home, I don't know them, pray that their house isn't on fire and being destroyed. Scary times, man. Roads are slick and greasy, and the fire departments are being called out for cars overturned, chimney fires. People are not prepared. Is a society gone to hell? You know, you don't clean your chimney. Things like that could have been prevented. Slow down a little bit. Your car wouldn't have rolled over. Car stuck in a snowbank up in Chittenden. Didn't give any roads. Didn't let them know where they're at, so not how that fire department's going to find them in Chittenden. Chittenden, like every other town in Vermont, is very rural, very remote. It just called Rutland 423. The 423 is a truck number or something?
Rutland 423.
Seems every year with the beginning of the first snow, and this snow is wet and greasy, very icy, people forget how they drive. Forget all those skills. I don't get it. Wonder where dispatchers, they can seem to hear everything. It's all on simplex, so they must have a really good high location or high antenna. Dispatch just asked whoever was calling. Repeat their transmission. I don't even hear them on the input. If you're going to use any little ham transceiver, don't place a frequency on the input. Just put the receive frequency. We don't get in trouble. Kid grabs the radio, something like that. I wasn't quick enough. No injuries. Tow truck en route. If I can only build some kind of circuit to, when the radio comes on, trigger the cell phone. Capture the video.